Hold on, you gotta start over.
This is a caulking gun.
Okay.
Okay, Adam.
Right-handed, left-handed. Pull the lever down, push the lever down with your thumb. Pull back the lever.
Awesome. Okay, I wouldn't have figured that one out. For all you ladies that have
Caulking.
men or don't have men and the men are sorry and you need, you can't figure shit like
Okay.
this out.
Place the caulking in the gun as so.
Okay.
Push.
Be blessed if you have some sweet brothers like I do.
The plunger until it stops.
Can you just fix it like that and then let me have your cock?
Okay. Delete, delete, delete. Flowers of you. That's it.
You know what I'm talking about.
Can you
Potato.
use that glue or something?
Then you
It's
cut
called
off the tip.
C-A-U-L-K.
Then you cut off the tip. All right, after you cut off the tip, then you spin it. Ay.
He said delete. Oh, there's my mama with all them crosses. You know she's
Then you
blessed.
push
That's why
this
she be
lever
winning
down.
at bingo all the time.
After you cut the tip off, you got to stick something down inside there to punch a hole into the cover.
Okay, the
Down the
instruction
bottom of the
said
tube.
something like cut the tip off at an angle.
It's like a brisk.
Okay, so cut it and then make a hole.
Cut it
Mm-hmm.
at an angle. Poke something long enough to go down inside to the thing, and then you press the lever until it starts to come out.
Oh, okay, good. Well, I'm glad I have a caulking gun because last time I had to squeeze stuff
What
out.
Johnny uses to.
Okay, the end of my caulking lesson.
I
Thanks,
cannot
brother.
breathe no more. I'm out of here.
Thank